Hello friends, Colleen here with YarnWars.com. I have a couple of things for you today. I haven't seen you guys in a bit, but I wanted to jump in here. I hope everybody is having a wonderful start to their new year. My daughter just got married January 25th, so you probably haven't seen me around in the group, on our Facebook group, very much. Couple things to tell, but I'm not going to make this a real long video. But I hope you guys are doing well out there, everybody. So first I want to address some big happenings. Recently, our Yarn Wars group on Facebook was taken down. We don't know if it was hacked. We don't know if it was removed. The only thing I can assume is it was taken down by Facebook. The quality of the group was good when this happened, so I still don't have any answers. I have messaged endlessly Facebook trying to get to the bottom of things, and I have received no surprise at all. No response. So anyhow, I'm moving on past that. We're rebuilding the group. The group is not gone. If and I'm going to have the name of the group or the link for the new group in the description below, and I'll also pin it to the comments so that you can get back there. If you're one of our old members from our old group, our original Yarn Wars, because I will also tell you that there are people out there posing as us, and maybe you've joined their group, but they are not the original group, the Yarn Wars group, and we are rebuilding the community. And you know we had a big community, so that was kind of a bummer that this just happened, kind of just overnight, literally. And honestly, it wasn't about the numbers. It was just about, a group of fiber loving friends. We were, in a community of like-minded crochet knitters, loomers, and we lost our community. And a lot of people lost a lot of things that they had shared, and things that they had saved in the group. And it was sad. I'm looking at it as a good thing. We got a little reset on it and we're started back up. But definitely, if you remember before and you were looking for your old group, we're here. And check that link below. Come back and see us and share your works. But anyhow, this video today is mainly going to be about a product review. I don't do a lot of these. I did this after seeing the email that she sent to me, and isn't that adorable? This is a company named Crochetta, and they had sent me their product in exchange for an honest product review, which you will always get from me. I don't do a lot of these. Like I said, I have a real hard time doing anything that involves a commitment right now in my life. I'm so busy. I have a full-time job. So I'm very selective if I'm going to do something. You'll always get, my honest thoughts on different products that I'm using in my patterns or my videos, but not a lot of product reviews. I think I may have done one or two since 2014. So it's not all about, hey, give me your free product. So when I saw this, I thought, oh, this is really cute. Last year, towards the end of last year, we ran a contest where I had purchased some prizes that were kits, holiday crochet kits. And they were cute. And I saw this and I'm like, oh, that's great. I would absolutely love to try this. It's been a long time since I've done amigurumi. I know I'm saying it wrong, but I'm going to say it that way. It's been a long time since I've done anything like this. So it like, just to start it was a bit of a challenge because I don't tightly crochet anymore like I used to, and it kind of did with this, but it's nice for a beginner. This is made for a beginner. So I'm going to tell you about Crochetta. I'm going to tell you about this product. I have one. We're going to run a contest in the Facebook group where the grand prize winner will also get one of the succulents sets. These are all inclusive sets, guys. And I'm not going to go into a real major detailed about it, but I will do a quick unboxing to show you what's in there so that you know what to expect, especially like if you're looking for a great gift for someone you know is a crocheter or a knitter. This is that, I will say it's a great product. And then we're going to have our second and third place winners winning one of their little smaller kits, but they're so cute. These are so adorable. So I've only made up 2 of these so far, but are they not the cutest little things? I'm not really good at faces, but I think I did an okay job on this one. I have 2 more to make. And then I am going, I've decided I'm gifting these to my daughter. They are doing a renovation to her office. And so she has some little trinkets here and there. And I thought, oh, these would be adorable to put up on her desk. So I might even bring you in on the gifting to my daughter who just got married. Anyhow, I am going to, I'm going to stop here. I'm going to switch over and, you won't see me anymore, but I just wanted to say hi to everyone. Let's have a great 2024. I think it's going to be a wonderful year. And, you know, if you've got any resolutions or commitments that you've made to yourself for your crochet or knitting or looming or whatever fiber year, I would love to hear about it in the comments below. Definitely tell us what's going on with you, and I'll be right back. Okay, friends, so I'm going to make this kind of a quick video, but I do want to make sure that you guys get all the information you need for the contest or the giveaway. It's not really going to be a contest, more of a giveaway on these products. And you've seen the ones already that I made. I'm working right now on... Well, okay, so I kind of mixed things up a little bit, and I'm working on this one, but I have the wrong base for it. So, but that's okay. It's okay. You don't have to have everything the same. So when I go to make this guy, I will use a white planter for that. So I did mess that up, but I've gotten most of my pieces made for this. I just need to... there's a couple more I need to stitch up and then get the face together on it. And so probably will not be doing a gifting to my daughter on video like I planned before, but I just want to go through this again. This is Crochetta, and they have a storefront on Amazon where you can purchase any of these, and they have frequent deals going on, really reasonably priced products. And seriously, go check them out. I'm going to post a link down in the description below to their storefront so that you could go check out the different products. They have so many cute items. These, again, are just a couple of them, the ones that we'll be using for our giveaway. So what do you get with this kit? And there's really not a whole lot I have to say bad about this. There were some areas that I struggled a couple of times in a couple of the patterns that they have video tutorials for. So they've got a little QR code linked in their booklet in here. But when you get this kit, this is the succulents kit, you're going to, so cute. Their packaging for this is adorable and such great quality. You're going to get all of the yarn that you need to complete all of the projects that you see. The yarn, I actually was expecting this to be just a cheaper yarn. This whole kit is just such great quality. The yarn is so soft. So you're really going to enjoy working with it as you work this up. If you've done the amigurumi before, if you've done these little projects, sometimes it can be really hard to do with like the red heart yarn, different yarns that are a little rougher before you wash them. I don't know about you, but sometimes it even irritates my skin a little bit, but this yarn is super soft and it was so easy to work with. This, like I said, you'll have everything you need, all of the different colors, all of the yarn you need to complete all. Well, if you have the succulents one, for all 4 of those little guys. In the box, you're also going to have all of the tools that you need. And when I say all of the tools, you are not going to have to open up your own personal supply box or bag for anything you need for this project, which is also a nice thing about, you know, gifting this to somebody who is just starting out or who has voiced any kind of interest in crochet. This has literally everything they need for it. You get 2 hooks. These are 2 of the same size hooks, so you've got a backup hook. If you're like any crocheter I know, you are losing hooks all the time. I can't tell you how many times I've had to buy new hooks. But you get 2 of the same size hooks. You're going to have stitch markers in several different colors. You're going to get your needle, 2 hide-in tails at the end. And then you're getting your little eyeballs with the safety back or with the backing on it so that they hold firmly in place. But everything you need is going to be within this boxed kit. You're going to have your fiberfill, which comes to you in a vacuum sealed airtight bag. When you open this up, it's just poof, it opens up. You've got all of the fiberfill you need for your projects to stuff all of your little creatures here. And then you're going to get 2 books in this. You're going to get your information book, which is going to give you all of your different conversions from UK, US. It's going to give you all the abbreviations that are listed in here, all tips and tricks of what you're doing, what you're working on, picture tutorials. And within this book, not this book, sorry. Nope, on this book as well, there is a QR code that you can scan into your phone and go directly to video tutorials for this. So it's wonderful. If you have any questions on any part of these patterns, you're going to have all of that you need in there. In here, you're going to have all of the patterns for every different piece of your project. And it is all so simple to follow along to. There, like I said, there was a couple of parts in here. For instance, like the top of the flower, which I ended up probably doing just my own little creation for, but that I got a little confused as to how they were explaining it in here. And I just scanned that QR code, went to the video, and voila, I had that figured out. So the instructions in here are wonderful. And again, you've got picture tutorials in this other booklet here as well. So basically, this kit is a no-brainer if you're looking for a gift set for someone. I mean, you're looking like right around, and some of them even less than. There's like $20 box kits. I mean, it is well worth the price, let me just say, for everything that you get in this kit. So worth it. So just real quick, I'll go ahead and go over with you, because this is actually going to be the grand prize box. The giveaway is going to be held in our Facebook group. Our first prize winner is going to get this succulents one, and I promise you're going to have a fun time working this up. I really think you're going to love this. And then our next second and third place winners are going to get the little froggies. These are so cute, and I'll just give you a quick look into this. The little froggies that you can make from this kit. You're going to have all of the yarn that you need for that. Again, a backup hook and everything you need. Like everything you need, guys. You got the scissors in here. Everything you need. And then you're going to have all of your fiber fill, your booklets to give you direction as to how to make these. This kit was such a fun one to work up. I really, really think you're going to love it. So definitely go check them out. Look at the different ones that they have. Our contest is going to be a giveaway. So what we're going to do is I'm going to have a post up in our Facebook group. Again, look down in the description below of this video and follow that link to our Facebook group. If you haven't joined us, join us. It's free. You're going to find free patterns, free fun, and you will meet new people from around the world, all enjoying the same craft. So go into the group, and I will have it up in the featured section of the group. And just put a quick post in there telling us what you're working on, your whip right now, and you will automatically be entered into the contest for this. It doesn't matter how perfect, how beautiful, how popular the project that you're working on is. Just your participation in that thread will give you an automatic entry into this giveaway for one of these prizes. So guys, that is the end of this Crochetta. It was so much fun to work up. We like to do contests in the group every now and again just to keep the fun flowing. And so keep your eyes open for new upcomings. But I really enjoyed this project. And I think that you also would enjoy it if you choose to try out one of their little amigurumi kits. But thank you so much for joining me today, guys. All of the information for our social medias, for the different things, information on today's project, those can all be found down in the description of this video below. Thank you again for your continued support for Yarn Wars and just being here. And I will be back soon with a new pattern. So stay tuned. And if you haven't already subscribed, subscribe. Click that subscribe button below. And you all have a wonderful rest of your day. Thank you, friends.